Hi guys, sorry, I think there was some issue with Zoom. I think it has gone into a hung state or what, I don't know. Hope you're able to listen to me because I am not sure what Zoom is up to. मेरे को यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं बराबर से दिख रहा है, but it is started उतना समझ में आ रहा है. So are you able to hear me? Yes, okay, okay. So I think, and are you able to see the screen? I think you can see last week analysis. It is there on the screen. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you for confirmation. So, uh, so sorry for doing it this evening because yes, morning I had a doctor's appointment for my mom, routine checkup था. She's 72, so जब भी doctor बोलता है, I had to go. So I had to just take her in the morning. So इसके लिए आज शाम को किया because tomorrow again is a family function. So I won't be there. So मैं सोचा आज अभी कर लेते हैं. It will be good. So yeah. Okay, let's start. So last week we saw almost 18,200 been touched, and currently SGX is around 18,500. Okay, so we are seeing this is moved, and this also crossed it. We went almost till 39,400. So we are now into an altogether new zone on both the indices. Everything has gone back to the diamond category on both these indices at least. IT had struggled, but I do find IT attractive now because they have corrected a bit. So see this particular rally, my view I'm just sharing is FMCG corrected last week, IT corrected heavily, auto was doing good. We all saw what Tata Motors did, right? And pharma is already in a mediocre phase. Nifty infra is doing okay because it also had some relaxed state last week, and now again it will bounce. So the thing is, these two things will keep moving, and the others are taking rest and taking, turn by turn, their way of increasing this too. So the view again remains same. We don't have any bearishness still in the charts, and we might see, still the markets rising further. Okay, so let's go to the charts. Okay, I was actually trying to see few of the penny stocks जहाँ पे कुछ मिल सकता है करके मैं try कर रहा था, but कुछ काम का नहीं था. Okay, I was seeing an idea actually और दो तीन दूसरा stock था. So let's first go to the normal things. Nifty. Okay, so Nifty is at the target. See, we had this view, right? कि ये जो फ्लैग बना है वो फ्लैग को ऊपर तक लेके जाएगा और उसका भी जो था वो it was coming to around 18,000 something, and now we are seeing 18,000 already, right? So this is still doing good for us. Okay, and let's see. क्यों इतना स्लो चल रहा है भाई? क्या मेरी गलती हुई है? करेगा नहीं क्या? Okay. So this is what we have till 14th of thing, and it is already done a breakout of this. So now on daily, okay, it seems to me like this. Okay, we have a breakout on this. Okay, and there is a breakup ahead of that. Now again, the new target as per daily comes out to be this. Gautam Sinha admin. Okay, there are people who are waiting for admission. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so 18,600, 18,700 seems to be the new target now for Nifty. Okay. Second thing is we had some bearishness last week on the weekly basis, but now this has crossed. Let's see that does it persist? It still has. Okay, so we still have 4-bar bearish divergence on weekly. Okay, so if you look at this RSI is 80.79 and this is 77.79. So there is still 4-bar bearishness here. And now the thing is confirmation would be below 17,600 or 17,700 precisely. So that is on the weekly closing basis. Okay. Let's see monthly. Monthly still no bearishness. Okay, so monthly it has also crossed the high of last month. Okay, so neutral candle and neutral candle का high cross हो गया है. Now we need to see weekly also this bearish divergence should go away next week if it closes above say 18600 700 मार दिया तो वापस we will have no bearishness on weekly chart also and daily पहले था इधर when we saw we were having dojis at the all-time high and some resistance around that point but now in the last week what we saw it has crossed everything so now last week we were short week so चार कैंडल देख लो आप एक दो तीन चार ये पूरा ऊपर लेके गया इधर से so see again this was the freak trade now if you remember 18800 18088 उसके ऊपर में लेके गए यहाँ पे एक बार फ्रिक ट्रेड मारा था उसके ऊपर में लेके गए थे तो वो हिसाब से HDFC बैंक HDFC Limited they still have some freak trades at a very high price TCS has got at a very high price I think 4224 या ऐसा कुछ उसका भी है तो वो सब prices I think eventually ये लोग लेके आएंगे. Okay, so that is where we are looking at it. So again, what we have here is this 4-bar bearish divergence on weekly confirmation awaited, but there is no inbuilt bearishness now on any other time frame. तो पहले तो इधर भी था, अभी daily chart भी चला गया, तो now daily is in favor of bullish. Okay, so let's put down here. So my difficulty is I have to now look for a new entry into top bottom because we are out of top bottom at a very cheaper price. 1000 point लेके ये time गलती की ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. Okay, because this time it has just gone beyond that. So now let's see daily. Band walk with gap up openings. Okay. Target 18,700 as per current setup. Okay. Okay, weekly now 4-bar. Okay, bearish divergence setup and confirms below 17,700 now. Okay, so below 17,700 weekly close, not intraday. It has to be weekly close. Okay, and monthly neutral candle नहीं अभी तो bullish candle हो गया भाई monthly की bullish candle. Okay, so this is a bullish candle above previous month doji high also with no inbuilt bearishness yet. Okay, so it's now a diamond index golden to show you. Okay, so now it is again back to diamond biscuit. Okay, now this entire range changes here. ये ना बहुत मेहनत करवाएगा हमारे पास. Still it is 172 so I'll keep this and I'll keep now 18,700 which we are looking at. Okay, now 18,000 will become as your first support. This is round number. Okay, उसके बाद ये चला जाएगा. Okay, so this is where now we have got a few adjustments in Nifty. Okay, now let's go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again has got the similar pattern. See, Bank Nifty का मेरा व्यू मैंने ना एक बार खाली ऐसे ही सराफ अंकल को बोल दिया था that by Diwali we will see 40,000. But जिस तरह से ये भाई साहब जा रहा है next week में 40,000 है अभी तो. Okay, so this is where there is a bigger breakout. Okay, and this breakout का I think target भी दे दिया इसने. Okay, so this was where we were, and this breakout has been given, and I think we met the target of that. Yes, that target has been done. Okay, so the same thing is now in Nifty and we should see that around 18,700. Okay, तो इसके लिए मैंने ये दिखाना चाहा कि ये हो सकता है. दूसरा इसमें और एक चीज है, डेली चार्ट पे इसमें भी सेम छोटा छोटा राउंडिंग्स है. And normally, if you have a trend line or a horizontal line breakout, okay, that this becomes your, the depth becomes your next target. Okay, so with that logic, now let's see ये क्या दिखाएगा. I'll say 39 40,000. Yes. So now this is also showing you around 40,000 as the target. Okay. So now this shows the same thing. अभी इसमें भी Paris divergence था. Now it has been nullified. So now they don't have any bearishness. Okay. So last week, if you remember, we had a bearish divergence in Bank Nifty as well. Now that is not there. Now don't be surprised if I tell you 44,000 के आसपास में कुछ target बनता है. Okay, because see this now. See this now. चलो इतना बड़ा नहीं लेता हूँ मैं, तो छोटा छोटा लेता हूँ. Actually, the depth of the cup is this, okay? But let's not consider that. Let's not give heart attack to everyone. But see this. So this is one, and this is what 30,000 se leke 38,000. So 8,000 points from here is 46,000. Okay, so that also you can see, might be approaching. I'm not, at all in any bearish mode because the charts are not. Okay, it's not that I have, my viewpoint is always bullish. Okay, but look at this. I told you when we saw this for the first time that this is very powerful. First 60 support. Again, it took a 60 support with no bearish divergence here, and then see it has moved. So this is where it is same thing you will see even in Bank Nifty. Been broken, and now this much upside is still possible. Okay, so I am not surprised if someone says Nifty will be what Bank Nifty, Nifty will be what Sensex is there, those nonsense जो बोलते हैं लोग. Okay, वो सब chances है, नहीं है ऐसा नहीं है, but ये सब pandemic की मेहरबानी है. So it's a boon in disguise for the market actually. Okay, so this is where we are actually wanting it to see. And 46,000 is also what I showed you as per the weekly this also. Okay, so if there are multiple charts saying on the same direction, this is still possible. Okay, so that's where I just wanted you to see this. So this is still possible. There is no inbuilt bearishness on any chart on Bank Nifty now. Okay, with HDFC Bank results also looking good. I think it is so far so good for the Bank Nifty. The worst thing is we might not get entry into any trade on Monday, because if there is a huge gap up looking at SGX, it is already I think 300 points from where we are right now. It is at 18,470 is what I saw in the morning. So if SGX is 18,470 and we are at 170, 300 points gap up, what entry will you make? Okay, so there would be not be there any entries on Monday, but if you are holding any stock, cherish those positions for some time, because that is going to give you good money. So currently, even in case of Bank Nifty, we don't have any bearishness. So let's write down. See, this was the point, daily 60 resistance, and it also had an M. So let me also show the reason why we stopped our top bottom. Okay. So just give me 2 minutes. I'll show you why we stopped it as well. Okay, so when this happened, okay, this was a clear sign of what we consider as an M pattern. Okay, जिन ने P2 किया है, they are aware that this is a perfect outside, inside, there is divergence अगर आप देखोगे तो okay, so this is the center point, this is the other leg of the M, and your target would be this. So this was what I was expecting. Okay, so that's why I said कि एक बार निकल जाओ. Plus Nifty had already touched 18,000. तो हर एक चीज का एक एक आंकड़ा पास हो गया था. So I was much keen that ये गिरेगा तो बड़ा गिरेगा. So that's why we exited the position. But thing is in this market कितना भी bearish signal देते हैं ना ये लोग confirm ही नहीं करते. So that is where the confirmations are not coming through at all, and that's why I am more bullish because this market is not going to stop. It might retrace, but not going to stop at all. So daily bullish candles with breakout. This is no more there. Setup. So weekly also bearish setup nullified. एंड बैंड वॉक मेरे हिसाब से इसका वीकली भी बैंड वॉक है इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. हाँ, ब्रेकआउट क्यों लिख रहा हूँ, कौन सा बैंड वॉक सबको समझेगा. And this does not need any confirmation because there is no more bearishness. Okay. And monthly shows bullish candle at 16, no NB bearishness yet. And now this also qualifies to be diamond index. Okay, diamond index are those index where or those scripts which are all time frames above 60 and at all time high. Okay, so I know there are a few new people who have joined, so for them, what is diamond I'm talking about. Now let's see the resistance. This is totally nullified. Okay, एक मिनट, बेटा तो नीचे आएगा, अभी तो उल्टा जाएगा. ओके, तो इधर रहेगा, मैं ऊपर थोड़ा करेक्शन करता हूँ. ओके, सो नाउ 39 भी देखना बाकी है. ये रुकना बेटा. So see, direct resistance also is shown as 40,600. I don't believe in that. Okay, we'll have to have one more layer between that. So 39,400 to high. So I think 39,850 would be one level of this. 40,200 and then 4,600. Okay, so we do have huge levels now on this. And यहाँ पे सबसे पहले आएगा 39,000. फिर आएगा ये, फिर आएगा ये. Okay, so option writers can easily now write 38,500 calls. Put, sorry, मैं कहाँ call बोल रहा हूँ. Okay, but I would suggest don't write any call because you might be killed by the call. Okay, so it seems more of a bullish environment and setup so far. Okay. Let's go to the other things. But really sorry, I know evening belongs to the family, but फिर टाइम नहीं था इसके लिए मैं अभी रख दिया. पापा ये क्या है, ये थोड़ा ऊपर बंद होता था ना तो ये भी आइलैंड रिवर्सल हो जाता था. ये आइलैंड रिवर्सल का यहाँ तक का लिमिट है. So now there is a gap here and a shooting star here, 60 resistance here. यहाँ पे क्या बनाया भाई साहब ने? भाई साहब ने spinning top बनाया है. So we now have to see what does the IT stocks do. Okay, so there will be a range bound movement as per me because the RSI is getting some relax. ऊपर ही जाएगा. As per what it is showing, it is upside only. और ऊपर कितना जाएगा लोग सोचते रहेंगे तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. They will not be able to invest. And it also took support here by the way. See, it's exactly 34,553 जो ये डोजी का लो के आसपास भी सपोर्ट लिया है. So it took CIP as well on VP. So in a way it is looking okay to me. It was a good shooting star. It again had a rise and now resisting upper band. So we'll have to see whether it remains in this range. So my view is IT stocks might remain in this range for some time. Okay, sometime 2 months this month or maybe 1 month, 2 months plus. एक range में IT will remain. So the all-time high is 38,000, 37,800, and this becomes a range for it. इसमें क्या है actually? There is a PRD as well और क्या ये? तो 82 RSI में तो है setup but closing क्या है? 34,800 and हाँ PRD नहीं है. चलो बचिए. नहीं तो इसमें PRD नहीं था. Because this candle is also lower and RSI is lower. There is no PRD then. 66, 69. Okay. तो black candle आया ही नहीं है. This also looks okay to me. The only thing is daily is below 60, so that's why it shows me some sideways movement or some type of consolidation on this index. Let's see Nifty IT. 7,572. 35. पर एट अपर बैंड रेजिस्टेंस तो उसने काम कर दिया. सो डेली स्टार support and 60 resistance. Was spinning top. Spinning top at CIP by the way. So far bullish candle and it's not a golden index anymore because daily is below 60. Okay, so golden nahi hai. Golden ke liye you need all the 3 time frames above 60. Okay, so let's see now next. क्या है? Let's see reality what it did because I think reality also had a good run. So it had a breakout and it made a new high. Okay, so weekly also it is band walk and moving higher. Yes, so it got resisted exactly. So now any breakout above this level, above 550, this sector will also start moving. So we need a breakout on this as well. We already bought, I think, IB real estate on Thursday. It triggered at 165. Okay, so now this is a huge cup. Okay, इसमें घर बन जाएगा. Reality है ना, ऐसे भी घर बनाता है. Okay, I think DLF did good. I think even Shobha Developer did good. Oberoi Realty did good. So if you look at those stocks, they've already, on a run. And now with this breakout, I think they will keep making new highs. So now this is becoming a diamond index. And see, if you look at it, the closing on monthly basis, this is still the highest. Okay, so this is already a diamond index, by the way. ओके इसका ये क्लोज कभी हुआ नहीं है. इनफैक्ट ये क्लोज देख लो, प्रीवियस मंथ का क्लोज के सामने भी एक भी क्लोज प्रीवियसली नहीं है. ओके द फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट क्लोज वाज दिस, so that has been crossed. It's also in a diamond category. So reality is also looking strong. Let's see infra. Reality strong है तो infra भी होना ही चाहिए. सीमेंट के बिना कहाँ भागेगा. See it's touching same chart like Nifty. See नो इनबिल्ट बेरिशनेस. इसमें भी बेरिशनेस था, वो भी गायब हो गया है. डेली में था, लेट्स सी डेली में अभी भी है या नहीं है. नहीं, सब चला गया. एंड सी ऑल द RSIs आर लोअर एंड दिस इज हायर नाउ. सो दिस इज आल्सो डूइंग गुड. धोखा दिया हमको because I think ACC was the trade we took last week. It hit the stop loss and then hit the target. दुख होता है जब भी ऐसा होता है, तो फिर क्या कर सकते हैं. This is also looking good, strong enough. Then FMCG, let's see FMCG में कहीं पर भी entry है. See, this is resisting upper band. So FMCG is showing somewhere gap between here, hammer and shooting star. ये तो पूरा एकदम confused आत्मा है. कहाँ जाऊँ उसको खुद को नहीं मालूम. Okay. So main thing is buy above this, and this is the all-time high by the way. The all-time high पे उसको shooting star भी है. So this is really looking like a zone as well. Like zone है, कितना point है करीब 1300 points है. क्या है इसका? Weekly bearish divergence. Let's see whether it confirms or not, because यहाँ पे bull sash भी है. See, it's a bull sash. एक नीचे और ये वो gap candle है. अरे भगवान, कुछ तो सीधा दिखाओ. यहाँ पे ठीक है. So only weekly bearishness, nothing else. So let's see. Write down this also 41377. Seven daily shooting star. Star at price and upper band resistance. Four bar. तो बैंड वॉक कर रहा है. No bearishness. बेटा okay, this is another story. FMCG also monthly very strong, but some hiccups on the way in weekly. The pharma, it's above this. Okay, so it is looking okay on monthly. It needs to cross this so that it makes a new high. It did made a new high. Okay, so it's okay. Star or VIB, let's go breakout. So we need a breakout about 14,800 actually इसके ऊपर है. अगर ये ब्रेकआउट देगा तो फार्मा स्टॉक्स भी अच्छा जाएगा. See exactly at 60 resistance, so doji at 60 and at price resistance. So we need this breakout. Weekly is looking okay at resistance, but 60 के ऊपर है. Monthly is strong actually. ये सबका मंथली स्ट्रांगली है, सो दैट्स व्हाई ये थोड़ा आराम करके वापस भागना चालू करेगा. तो फार्मा है 14728. So daily doji at 60 resistance. Doji at 60 and price resistance weekly above 60, so weekly just above 60 but at price resistance. शूटिंग स्टार में से वापस बदल गया. Strong. Neil Armstrong. कहाँ जाएगा ये मार्केट, ऐसे तो चलते ही जाएगा, चलते ही जाएगा. Oh. So auto has got a not dark cloud cover I can say, but at almost 12,000 mark के आया ये. और थोड़ा it needs see 84 का RSI. टाटा मोटर्स क्या लिखेगा इसको, 84 का RSI हो गया इसका. See, this is the breakout. We were expecting this, and see, it has already started to move. And we were expecting it to come till this as the resistance. यहाँ तक आ गया है. Now we need the all-time high. I think all-time high यही है. So it's also approaching diamond, by the way. ये अब छूटेगा नहीं. See, we had this right 60 support, morning star, and we were actually betting on auto stocks. पहले मारुति भागा, फिर वो नीचे गिर गया. फिर टाटा मोटर्स एक ही दिन में सबको करोड़पति बना गया. Right, and see, this is still looking good for me. Okay, so this is still the sector which might do good. You're expecting around 13,000 क्या है ये, 13,300 on this. So इसको भी और टाइम है, और 1500 पॉइंट ये सेक्टर भी जाएगा. So this is also looking strong and healthy. Okay, so we have few sectors which are really looking good. चार्ट क्यों नहीं जा रहा? ठीक है, छोड़ो, अपने आप चला जाएगा. So there is no bearishness here, and somewhere might take support on the upper band and again move. Let's see Monday वो क्या करता है. बाकी it has already started band walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. So और 2 candle होना चाहिए as per Fibonacci. 6 candles are already there. So let's write down. Upper band, and now 6 candles on. slightly bullish candle about 65 and almost touched ATH. So all time high को पहली कॉर्नर ऑलमोस्ट कर लिया इसने. Cross Morningstar and Golden Index. So this remains safe, and this is looking strong. So 1 is strong, 2 is strong, and 3 is strong. Okay, this is mediocre, sideways, but future is strong. Future is strong, and this also future is strong. So maybe this 3 sector will run, they will rest. When they retrace, they will run. Okay, so रुकेगा नहीं. ये अभी ऐसा है, हारना नहीं है गीता. एक के बाद एक गोल्ड मेडल जीतते जाओ, ऐसा है. Okay, Geeta and Babita are doing fantastic. मेटल क्या बोलता है? मेटल भी सो गया था बीच में. हाँ, see metal is also now about to move. Okay, so अच्छा खासा रिट्रेसमेंट हो चुका है. Now it will move. Breakout and now see it might have some bearishness है इसमें, but I think it is fine. ये internal है, so ये इसके साथ काउंट करोगे तो है, but I think that is okay. Too many candles now. So metals में इधर क्या है? अरे हैमर और फिर है नहीं, स्पिनिंग टॉप का हाई क्रॉस किया है. So now there is chance के metal भी भागेगा. So still lot of steam left in metals as well. ये पहला साइन है जो मंथली पे एक डिप दिखा सकता है. ओके, सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल. मेटल्स इसके ऊपर में बंद होना चाहिए, या तो इसके नीचे में प्राइस जाना चाहिए, या तो इसके आरएसआई के ऊपर में आरएसआई लेके जाना चाहिए. 79.70 के ऊपर जाना चाहिए. तो जाने का चांसेस है जिस तरह से भाग रहा है. Then there is no bearishness here as well. Okay, so metals also it's looking good so far. So far, so good. Okay, and I think one sector which we should be looking is PSU का कोई sector है क्या? Anybody knows any sector only for PSU? PSU बैंक नहीं चाहिए मुझे, खाली PSU चाहिए, जहाँ पे वो भेलपुरी सब आता है. इसको मालूम है? नहीं. I think ये PSE करके जो है, do you know what is this? Anybody any idea? PSE करके जो है वो is it for पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइज है क्या ये? किसी को नहीं मालूम? कोई बोल रहा नहीं बोल रहा इसको तो कोई नहीं है. ओके, मैं गूगल को पूछ लेता हूँ ये पीएससी सेक्टर क्या है. ओके, भेल इज लुकिंग रियली इंटरेस्टिंग नाउ. भाई इसका फुल फॉर्म बताओ भाई, और कुछ नहीं.
यस सर, वही है.
वही है ना?
पीएसयू उसका ही. हाँ, पीएसयू उसका ही. आईआरसीटीसी, एनएचपीसी, पावर फाइनेंस, हिंदुस्तान.
भेल भी है क्या इसमें? Okay, I'll show you what I'm looking into Vail. Vail is a buy above 76, by the way. So anyways, give that. But see, this sector is now also on the verge of trigger. See, it took 60 support a month back. Okay.
Hi sir, Vail भी है.
है ना?
ONGC, BPCL, Concor.
कॉनकोर भी दूसरा है. कॉनकोर आई थिंक इट इज अ कंटेनर कॉर्पोरेशन ना, उसको अदानी पोर्ट खरीद लेगा. ये पूरा प्राइवेटाइजेशन होने वाला, और अदानी, रिलायंस एंड टाटा आर गोइंग टू रीमेक इंडिया, ऐसा लग रहा है. इंडिया तो पता नहीं, खुद के लिए तो वो लोग कुछ ना कुछ कर ही रहे हैं. सी दिस इज ऑल्सो बिगर कापा. सी दिस. सो इट्स रियली गुड सेटअप. ये इसके ऊपर में जिस दिन जाएगा ना, ये सेक्टर भी फटने वाला है. देखो बैंड वॉक तो सभी कर रहा है. वीकली पे बैंड वॉक, मंथली पे भी बैंड वॉक चालू है, देखो उसको. एंड डेली पे भी मेरे ख्याल से बैंड वॉक ही कर रहा है. अब भी अंदर है. सो नाउ यू नो, एक मिनट, ये गलत है. हाँ ये देखो. सो अभी ये क्रॉस करे थे ही, इट विल क्रॉस ऑल टाइम हाई एंड इट विल स्टार्ट इनटू अ न्यू जोन. ये ज्यादा दूर नहीं एक्चुअली सब चीज. So this is also a sector to be watched out, by the way.
आई थिंक आईआरटीसी एंड हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स की वजह से ज्यादा ऊपर जा रहा है
हाँ वो
basically.
परसेंटेज ज्यादा रहेगा उसका. और आईआरसीटीसी तो पता नहीं, इधर लॉकडाउन खोला नहीं और कौन सा टिकट बुक हो रहा है मालूम नहीं.
राइट राइट राइट.
उसका आईआरसीटीसी
एरोनॉटिक्स में अच्छा जा रहा है.
हाँ वही, वो ट्रेन का बुकिंग है, लेकिन वो उसका शेयर्स रहेगा तो तुम खुद का रॉकेट खरीद के मून पे जाओगे, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को तो.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू.
तो ये इट वाज बाउंसिंग 600-700 रुपीज पर डे. स्टॉक है या क्या है? बैंक निफ्टी के साथ compete कर रहे हो वो.
सवा महीने में सर 2500 से 5500 हो गया है.
हाँ एक्चुअली मैंने उसका ये भी भेजा था. आई थिंक इट वाज अ बाय एट 3000. सो इफ यू लुक एट इट ना, इट वाज बाय ईयर अबाउट दिस ब्रेकआउट. लेकिन मैं कभी भी इतना महंगा शेयर खरीदने का सोचता नहीं है, इसके लिए मैंने कभी इसमें ध्यान नहीं दिया था. ये मेरे सर्च में भी आया था, बट मैंने बोला छोड़, 2700 का कौन खरीदेगा. आज देखता हूँ कि 2700 का डबल हो गया यार ये. It was really looking good. It was a good breakout and a good buy. अगर
यस
आप
सर.
मंथली चार्ट भी देखो, ये देखो यहाँ पे बाई था वो. यहाँ से सीधा जाइए इसके ऊपर. क्या है ये, मस्ती किया आपने सब. दिस इज द ब्रेकआउट ऑफ कप.
मार्केट लॉट भी छोटा है, 325 का ही है.
हाँ वही. चलो चलो ठीक है. लेट्स सी नाउ टू द स्टॉक.
एक सर वो एनर्जी देखो ना, इसमें भी आग लगी पड़ी है, एनर्जी इंडेक्स में भी.
एनर्जी इंडेक्स में भी आग लगी पड़ी है. इसके तो टाटा पावर कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गया. अभी
सारे
बेल भी उसी की वजह से चलेगा. बिकॉज I have a news. I am not quoting anything, but I know someone told me Tata Power has bidded at 150 for BEL. इसके लिए मैं बेल का चार्ट भी देखा तो मैं बोला 76 के ऊपर बाई है वो. So energy sector, yes, that is also on fire. Yeah, Nifty energy.
ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर.
जी हाँ ये. हाँ ये भी देखो फटा पड़ा है. Yes, it's same as Nifty. See this. बैंड वॉक, वीकली बैंड वॉक कर रहे हैं यार. ये इंडेक्स है या क्या मजाक है. मतलब स्टॉक नहीं करते थे एक जमाने में, आजकल इंडेक्स बैंड वॉक कर रहे हैं मंथली वीकली पे. वो भी एक कैंडल नहीं, 4-4 5-5 कैंडल. दिस इज अ ड्रीम बुल रन बाय द वे. ये मेरे ख्याल से हर्षद मेहता ने भी नहीं सोचा रहेगा कि ऐसा मार्केट जाएगा. तो बिल्कुल भी शर्मा जाएगा ये देख के. तो see this breakout and see 4 candles in a row. It's a fantastic thing. So yeah, energy sector is also on a move. So I think even coal India कुछ है ना, तो वो सब भी सब चल रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. Coal India, yes. It is now about to give breakout above 60. So this will be also looking a good stock about 228. The 226, the 230 के ऊपर ही लेने लायक लग रहा है ये भी. 60 क्रॉस करेगा और ये भी भागेगा. Show BHEL, why I'm saying 76. Okay. See monthly भी क्रॉस किया और अभी we need this. See exactly ये गैप पे रेजिस्ट कर रहे हो. ये गैप को ऊपर में फिल कर देगा ना वो. So next week if it closes above this, you buy and you hold it for your target of, first target is 108. Okay, and then this is your target 121, and then maybe this, which is 146 or 150. So that is where it will then come. So we have got three targets on BALE as well. So BALE is also looking very strong. ये थोड़ा भी RSI नीचे आना है तो मेरे ख्याल से इधर ही थोड़ा आराम करेगा, थोड़ा RSI को रीबिल्ड करके फिर ऊपर भागेगा. So this is also looking good actually. Let's see. के लिए रिलायंस को देखना जरूरी है. मोनो से निकलना पड़ेगा. So Gucci at all-time high and on the band walk. No bearishness here. So actually इसमें buy है अभी. You can look at this. It's still looking good for a good target. See, this is the target. इधर जाएगा निफ्टी किधर जाएगा 21,000. मतलब अब लड़की 18 की तो हो गई, अभी 21 की भी जल्दी कर दो, फिर शादी कर दो. चाचा जी तो बूढ़े हो गए. सेंसेक्स तो ऑलरेडी 61,000 के ऊपर चला गया. इसका सी buy is above the high of this. Daily में भी वही है. But the only thing is the RSI is too big for an entry. RSI is up 77, 78, monthly is 73. $740 के ऊपर भाई. losing 709. See, this is still rolling around the same level. We need a breakout of that position. अभी भी वीकली 60 सपोर्ट पे ही रुका है और इसी पे रुका है. Almost the all-time high 1800 again. सभी स्टॉक में ऐसा है. It crossed at it right. यूनिलीवर अगेन इज एट, सी उसने लास्ट वीक अपने को शॉर्ट का एंट्री दिया ही नहीं है। 2435 के नीचे में, 25 के नीचे शॉर्ट था 2625, इट डिडंट वेंट ओनली बिलो दैट, और अभी भी 40 सपोर्ट पे है, और यहाँ पे भी डोजी एट 60 रेजिस्टेंस है। So whether it is going to be resistance or not, so it's a good CIP as well. The liver is also looking okay. So 26.30. Okay. Six. Which is center पहले 20 MA को मैंने टारगेट लिया है। Bigger target and a bigger risk. It's okay. Britannia may be same actually. It is what gap here. This is also looking okay. All right, 3885 and 28. Okay, so there is a 50 rupees risk even in Britannia, and around 80 rupees this thing. Chapter 3932. It was ITC we had suggested to buy about 240 if everybody has bought it. So this is where it was supposed to be bought about this. And so buy in equity है कि भाई futures में buy मत करो, उसका lot size बड़ा है. Okay, and I'll just show you why it is a buy about 240. This is where it is a buy about this. Okay, and now I had given the first target of 280, and then there will be another target of 360. So this is that 280 का target यहाँ पे है, sorry, here 280 का target है, और उसके ऊपर में it will come down to around 325, 312 कुछ है, and finally it will go to this, which is your again your all-time high. So if you look at it, this and this is going to be your target. And it started band work on monthly and just about to cross 60. तो ये 60 ये month पे cross कर लिया इसे month end तक, तो ये भी rocket है. So this is also another script which you can track for your equity. And I know ये काफी बदनाम stock है, but अभी ये जाएगा. क्योंकि अभी ये ब्रेकआउट है. Okay, so ITC is also one of the stock which is looking good. And see, perfect उसमें flag setup था, which it has gone through. And I think the initial target has been met. Okay, this, and I think the initial target, let's see क्या आता है उसका. So breakout का काम breakout ने कर दिया. हाँ कर दिया. Yes. So it has done the job. Now it should start, giving you good deals. So ITC is another FMCG stock which is looking really good. Okay. See, perfectly उसने कब पे ही support लिया है. तो flag ने भी support देखो ये लाल line पे ही लिया है. It's really a wonderful setup now. So ITC, let's see क्या क्या देखा आपने. बैंक निफ्टी के स्टॉक्स देखना है. HDFC बैंक. It is already at, see, this is the freak trader, and this freak trade I am sure it will be hit on Monday. ये 1715 का जो हाई है ना इसको तोड़ेगा. ये मंडे को ओपनिंग में ही तोड़ेगा. Okay, so this is what it will go to. तो ये freak trade इसका तो टेकन केयर हो जाएगा. So already band walk, there is a breakout similar to bank nifty है इसका भी. तो इसका भी अगर आप देखने जाओ तो 1400 से लेके 1650, so 250 points above still pending in this. Now it needs to cross this. वही अभी 1715 का ये भी एक्चुअली फ्रिक ट्रेड की वजह से है. ये अगर फ्रिक ट्रेड नहीं होता था तो ये नहीं आता था. तो अभी इसमें एंट्री नहीं है. अगर एंट्री करना है तो इसके ऊपर में लो 715 के ऊपर. But I will not suggest any entry now because result the reaction will be, it can be a mixed reactions. So let's wait. We all saw what TCS had happened.
So HDFC देख लो.
HDFC तो अपना ऑलरेडी बाय में है तो उसका भी रिजल्ट है ना. HDFC बैंक से
मुझे वो आई थिंक I believe 2850 पे मुझे लग रहा है.
Actually इसके ऊपर में you can buy it. 2850 के ऊपर you can buy HDFC also. It is above 60 and it will also do band walk. So this is also looking good actually. And no bearishness yet. So this is also okay to be traded. This is okay to be traded.
2850.
हाँ 2850 के ऊपर में buy है.
Stop loss.
Stop loss would be if it comes back below 60. So 2820 ये stop loss होगा.
2820.
हाँ हेलो.
टारगेट इनिशियल 2950.
हाँ सुन ना, मैं सीधा 7 बजे तेरे को वहां पे ही मिलता हूँ. हाँ चलेगा चलेगा. ओके. हाँ सॉरी.
टारगेट 2950.
नहीं टारगेट वुड बी, फर्स्ट टारगेट इज दिस 2900. ओके एंड देन हाँ वही रहेगा 2900 पे उसको ये है रेजिस्टेंस है. और उसके ऊपर में निकला तो आई थिंक वी आर ऑलरेडी होल्डिंग इट इन इक्विटी फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 3400. because 3400 is इसके ऊपर में. so if you look at what we had seen is ये जो flag setup है वो flag setup का target was 3400. but now I think ये गिरने के बाद अभी देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये फ्री ट्रेड जो मारा ना फ्री ट्रेड का क्लोज होना चाहिए. उसके ऊपर में निकल गया तो वो टारगेट अभी भी है अपने पास. दिस लास्ट वीक ना लास्ट मंथ में बहुत सारा फ्री ट्रेड हुआ है. तो फ्री ट्रेड एक बार क्लोज हो जाएगा ना देन इट विल बी ओके. उसको हो जाने दो बंद। मेरे ख्याल से 31 ना, ये टारगेट आप रख के चल सकते हो। 31 335, 31 35 सॉरी,
Okay.
इट शुड कम टिल हियर वंस। ऐसे भी उसका टारगेट है वही आता है, ये कप एंड हैंडल है इसमें। So if you look at this, this is a good cup and ये कप है 2900 पे और उसका बॉटम है 24 भी पकड़ो तो भी 500 पॉइंट है यहाँ से, तो 3400 तो ऐसे भी आता है। Let's see ICICI. Now this is also looking okay, but 60 resistance. So now again we need to see ये करता क्या है। ये अगर टूटता है तो I think yes, but I will wait क्योंकि मंडे को तो मेरे ख्याल से ये भी ऊपर ही फटेगा। 300 points above SGX is a little bit dicier to trade, but see above this, this also looks good. Because then ये जो depth है वो target है almost 40 points, 45 points. So then ICICI is looking okay. So, let's see Kotak. Kotak ठीक है, Kotak has got an entry. Okay. Gap resistance है इसको 2030 के ऊपर में buy है और यहाँ पर भी gap है उसको। छोड़ दो उसको। This looking. We'll have to see whether we get an entry or not, but it is looking good to me right now. क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे तो वीकली B60 सपोर्ट है, so 201. नया जोन में है पूरा। सब बैंगलोर के ऊपर ही गया था। Four trades so far. SPI is also looking now good. 491, so this will cross 500 for sure now. So this is also given a breakout. So I think ICICI also is looking good actually. तो वो भी ब्रेकआउट दे देगा, ये सब ब्रेकआउट देके बेटा वो थोड़ी बाकी रहेगा। नो बेरिश सी, ये दो व्हाइट कैंडल के बीच में ब्लैक है लेकिन RSI ऊपर है। So even this is looking good. So Bank Nifty surely looking really strong and healthy now. Let's see, अपने को कहीं से भी एंट्री ढूंढना पड़ेगा। So this, let's see. I think someone asked me Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance. इसमें थोड़ा है बेरिश ऑफ सी, यहाँ पे भी अटका पड़ा ये, can be a buy only about 8,050. So if anybody is trading, I think Saraf sir ने पूछा था किसका था, Bajaj Finance, I don't remember. Someone had shared a chart, so just buy about this one. So I ignore this one. So Reliance and other stocks in Nifty, ये हो गया, IT बाकी है, FMCG we saw, auto देख लेते हैं. So Maruti is a 6, अरे ये देखो, Doji at 60 and at CIP. Yeah? So Maruti also is a buy. And now the target is 7,800. अरे बाप रे, बंदा किया है ये. यहाँ पे 60 पे डोजी और वीटी पे शूटिंग स्टार एट 60 रेजिस्टेंस, बेटा ऐसा कोई करता है क्या? So now this is for Amar sir actually, short trader. So इसके लो के नीचे में जाएगा तो यहाँ तक आएगा, 7130 तक चांस है इसका, वहाँ पे उसको फिर सपोर्ट है, यहाँ पे भी सेम है. See the short trader now. So both trades are there, but let's see. We'll take it on to the short side. सेल जो अपना लास्ट वीक भी सेल था, ये वन ऊपर भाग गया एक दिन में 7528 और नींदा लड़ गई. सेल बिलो है तो क्या है, सेल ये क्या 7442 ये क्या बिना है इसके नीचे ही सब है, इसके नीचे भी जाना तो 7475 इसके नीचे. Tata Motors hope people were enjoying it if you had it in cash. So now let's see what is the other thing that you can expect it. तो ये breakout हो गया, ये खत्म हो गया, चलो ये भी टच कर लिया, तो अभी ये वापस टच करेगा तो यहाँ तक आएगा और फिर यहाँ तक. So Tata Motors is likely to cross 600 very soon, and it might then go to 800. Now this is another story of Tata stock, which is going to go multi-fold, same as I think what Tata Steel did in a year's time. So now you can watch for Tata Motors as well. Currently, there is no entry as per system. Okay, so if you find it on 15 minutes at 40 support or 60 support, that is where the entry will be. Yeah, 60 resist कर रहे हैं, इसके ऊपर में जाना चाहिए, क्या है इसके ऊपर में जाना चाहिए. It's a flag setup, वो वॉल्यूम के हिसाब से फ्लैग इसको ये कर रहा है, यहाँ पे भी कर रहा है. 1500, अरे बाप रे, 5000 पॉइंट, इतना तो अपना जिंदगी में भी नहीं. This is looking good. Breakout 7000 के ऊपर इसको बाय करना है. Can have a stop. This is also 60 support and also same setup. पर यहाँ तक आना चाहिए. Then we can see what is to be done. CFP आने दो. 60 resist here. So see this candle, okay, might have been touch 60 जब ये high touch किया रहेगा तब. तो 60 को defend किया इसने. This does not look good. Scouts. बहुत बड़ा इसका. इसके ऊपर में by 53, 54. इसका 1200 है ना लॉट साइज या नीचे आया 500 हो गई है. 500 lot size with still it is okay, but I think it's 1200 to 800 या 1200 is not really the capacity to trade. इसमें risk is 40 rupees. No one is there. Daily those shows some entry only because it is at 60. Okay, 60 support पे doji है ये, तो doji का high cross करेगा तो buy कर सकते हैं. And it has got cap support also नीचे में. It's looking good, but I'm a little afraid of the quantity. iShares का कम है, iShares देख सकते हैं. लेकिन ये तो evening star है 60 resistance, upper band resistance. इसका भी stop loss बहुत दूर है, ये stop loss है. See upper band resistance है ना, तो stop loss ideally is upper band. तो वो तो और भी दूर हो जाएगा. So you can't have something like this. 100 पॉइंट ऊपर का stop loss हो जाएगा जाने. Then let's go to TCS. TCS for me is a buy because if you look at it, it is at 40 support. But the only thing is now it has been doing a lower band walk since last 4 days. So unless it bounces above it, I will not suggest a buy. A buy is about 36.85. And it will go till 37.40 के आसपास because then the entire gap starts. एक बहुत बड़ा gap down था उससे. So इसमें ये zone में I would neglect any trading. Okay, only if you see a short signal, short is below this. So I don't know, Amar sir, are you holding short or you closed it? I know you were holding a short position and we had that discussion कि 40 support पे है तो you can close it around I think 36.40 के आसपास में we were having that discussion. But now looking at what it is doing at this level, it might do another thing. Was 60 break किया है इसने. There is a bear separating line on it. So dangerous candle actually. ये और नीचे जा सकता है 18. This is still looking dangerous actually. नीचे जा सकता है entry. He also resisted 16. Look at the volume on the candle. Result a volume ये सब. तो ये सब retrace होगा ऐसा लग रहा है. I'm not sure. It's a huge spinning top बनाया with volume. हाई नहीं क्रॉस करेगा तब तक बाई तो नहीं है बीच में. Same. So until the highs cross, there is no buy IT stocks at least. In TCS Infosys तो नहीं है. There is short here, but then again there is gap, so short is below this. 50% of this candle is stop loss. So low is what 83. So 1680 का short है, 1720 का stop loss. And you can expect 1655 or maybe in the lower bit 1640 as target in this. But again, then the risk is much more bigger. 40 points on Infosys is a bigger risk. Maybe saying. So I think avoid IT stocks for one more week. Let them settle. Then we can see a bit. अभी क्या बाकी है? Pharma बाकी है. Let's see pharma. So resisting 60. So 5000 cross किया था उसने. But I think it resisted 60 and it came down as well as upper band resistance. So we need to wait. But again, see the risk is you short below this with this as stop loss. It's again a huge one. 130, 140 points. So it's a big candle. So you cannot trade this again. So let's tell you why. I'm not sure why. Okay. Good. So Lupin has got a 40 support and a bullish range shift. This is also okay. Okay, I think it's pushing. Cipla was looking good and that was also killed. Now it is resisting 40, so it's not going buying me. This is the sector which is still going to remain sideways. Yeah, it does not show anything. TVs देख लेते एक बार. इसका oh, TVs has got TV crossover. Okay. Still okay. So यहाँ पे भी there is divergence there, so we have to avoid this also. एक जगह पे buy, एक जगह पे sell है. Even monthly में भी divergence है इसका. Somewhere pharma story seems to be almost over. But TVs में तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. I think there is around 6-7 trades. Let's see.
सर एक बार अल्ट्राटेक देखते हैं.
देख लेंगे पर अल्ट्राटेक बहुत फास्ट हो जाता है. 40 crossover है. It is a buy above this actually, above the doji.
हाँ, I think 7490 ना.
हाँ, so it is a buy above 7490 के ऊपर में buy है. You can expect it to go to 7725. So that is what you might achieve, and this is your stop loss. So again, उसका stop loss भी काफी बड़ा है. 100 point का stop loss है उसमें भी. ये एक है तो, और इसमें 100 points का मूवमेंट तो ऐसे ही दे देता है ये. इसको थोड़ा रिस्की है. अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में अभी भी बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस चालू है. ये किसी दिन एक बड़ा मूवमेंट देगा और तभी किसी को एंट्री नहीं मिलेगा. There's a series of bullish divergence. ये नीचे नीचे जा रहा है और ये ऊपर ही टकते रह बेटा. क्योंकि इसको नीचे का लो अब तक थोड़ा नहीं, 38 के नीचे ये गया नहीं. देखो ये 38 36 है, ये 38 67 है. There is still bullish divergence. It's still a buy above this now. So let's see. I think Monday को क्या होता है, किधर ओपन होगा ना, वही डिपेंड करेगा. Because currently also I saw was 300 points. There is a difference. So let's wait and see what happens on Monday. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. So let's see. And I think next week also I'll send recording because I'll be in ashram. So I'll be in my ashram after almost 2 years. So might not get any chance to do it live. So I'll return on Sunday night and I'll record and I'll send it across. Okay. So thank you everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.